If you're tired of dull factory speakers, this video is your complete guide to the best 6x8 car speakers for clear highs, deep bass, and a serious sound upgrade. Let's kick things off with a top performer, ROCKFORD FOSGATE coaxial speakers. These speakers are a favorite among car audio enthusiasts, and for good reason. Featuring a three-way coaxial configuration, they handle up to 75 watts RMS and 260 watts peak, making them a powerful option for anyone looking to boost their vehicle's audio clarity and volume. The P1683 uses an injection-molded polypropylene cone, paired with a responsive PEI dome tweeter and an integrated concealed crossover network. The result is excellent frequency separation, strong mid-range, and crisp treble without distortion. One of the standout features is how well these speakers perform on a factory head unit, so you don't need a dedicated amp to enjoy rich, balanced sound. If you're replacing aging OEM speakers or building out a mid-tier sound system, these are hard to beat. Coaxial speakers, known for being one of the best budget-friendly upgrades on the market. These two-way speakers offer 40 watts RMS each and feature Pioneer's proprietary injection-molded polypropylene IMPP cone blended with mica for extra rigidity. That means you get a lightweight but sturdy cone that delivers impressive low-end response. The TSG6820S also includes a 1:3 16th-inch balanced dome tweeter for smooth highs and clarity in vocals and instruments. What sets these speakers apart is their simple, shallow mount design, making installation easy in most factory speaker locations. At their price point, they offer excellent performance without sacrificing build quality. They're especially popular among drivers who want to refresh their sound without going full aftermarket. Speaker, a brand that's consistently trusted by car audio purists. The CSC68 offers a two-way configuration and is designed to perform efficiently on low power, which makes it ideal for users who are sticking with stock head unit. The polyatheramide dome tweeters offer clean, controlled highs, while the ribbed UV-treated foam surrounds ensure long-lasting durability under high heat or extended use. The speakers also come with a stamped steel frame and EVC, extended voice coil technology, for greater heat dissipation and accurate sound reproduction. Many users appreciate Kicker's attention to detail in their tuning. These speakers offer well-rounded sound with minimal distortion, even at higher volumes. It's an excellent balance between rugged reliability and sonic accuracy. Coaxial speakers, which delivers some of the most refined and dynamic sound in this category. These speakers are known for Infinity's signature +1 plus woofer design, which increases cone surface area for better bass output. They also feature edge-driven textile tweeters that provide smoother high-frequency response compared to more common piezo or dome tweeters. With a peak power handling of 360 watts and a high sensitivity rating, the Ref 8622 CFX speakers perform beautifully with or without an external amplifier. The sound profile is rich, clean, and full-bodied, with great vocal clarity and tight bass. If you're an audiophile looking to fine-tune your in-car soundstage, these are the perfect step-up from average coaxials. Speakers, a premium offering from KENWOOD's high-performance EXCELON series. These speakers are engineered with a lightweight carbon fiber composite cone that produces tight, responsive lows. The soft dome tweeter delivers a natural, detailed top end that avoids harshness at high volume levels. These speakers are known for their tonal balance and warm, clear mids, perfect for rock, jazz, and acoustic music lovers. What's especially great about the KFC X683C is its custom-fit design, making it an ideal upgrade for Ford, Mazda, and other vehicles that use 6x8 slots. The EXCELON series consistently receives high praise for durability and high-fidelity sound reproduction, making this a worthwhile investment if you're aiming for a more refined in-car audio experience.